Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about SmartDraw, which is very nice diagramming software that I really like. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about SmartDraw and also we'll check up the pricing so you exactly know how much money you have to prepare. So, what is it? SmartDraw is an effective wireframing tool for creating enhanced designs. The software can import and export stencils in Visio format, where its new version makes the transition easy for the user. SmartDraw is compatible with many third-party integrations and can run on all OS platforms. In addition, it has rich contents, such as 4,500 templates and over 34,000 symbols that you can use to create professional designs. It also has a powerful automation, which makes designing easier for you. SmartDraw provides high security to your files, and it is available in multiple languages in order to support global users. It is a cloud-based solution that provides enterprise quality license administration tools. It's based in San Diego in California, and I would say it's made for all types of businesses and even for freelancers. So small, medium, large enterprises and freelancers as well can use it to its advantages. You can run it in your web browser, as I'm doing right now, or you can install it into your Windows or Mac. You have to prepare quite a bit of money, obviously, for it. So when we are clicking at buy button at top corner, we see a couple of plans. When you want to make it individual, it's $9.95 per month billed annually. For team, it's $5.95 per user per month billed annually, 5 users minimum. So let's say it's 6, so it's $30 a month minimum. And then there is a site option for almost $3,000 billed annually, a fixed price for your entire organization. So doesn't actually matter how many people it's under your wings. You are paying a fixed price and they'll take care of everything, I would say. You can check up the diagrams, also the templates that they are using right now. So AWS diagram, cause and effect, charts and gauges, education, and I would say really all those diagrams are really nice and work through. Then all the features, then enterprise level for 500 to 1,000 employees, it's 5K a month. And if you have more than 1,000 employees, you have to contact them to tailor you the option just for you. What we are going to do right now, we are going to hit that try it now button, where you should be able to check it out. And without even creating an account, because there's nothing like free option or freemo that SmartDraw is introducing, you can just check it out and straight away buy it. This one, you can't really do anything crazy in it. It's basically just pre-made it flowchart where you can connect couple of options exactly and see like create your personal flowcharts. I clicked at flowchart, so here you can just feel it how it is behaving. You can push it. When you right click, there's not an pop-up window of Chrome, but they really paid an attention, so it really feels like it's the software already installed. You can cut it, copy it, paste it, delete it, or lock it, so you don't have to move, you can't really move it. And then with Flowcharts, there are obviously a couple of alternatives, and then there are lines. Like this, you can easily connect the lines between each other. Those lines doesn't even have to be a line, but automatically they are providing very easy way of connecting it from here, for example, to here, and those are really easy to maintain, those lines. It's responding even on the keyboard functionalities. Okay, this will be better to put it like this, like that. We can add another one. And it's corresponding towards the pattern. Those are the flowcharts. What else do we have here? We have, for example, the collections. Those are this type of flowcharts, where you just start. There's at left, at right, at up. Then let's go with split path. And just like that, automatically you can easily build in your flowchart. It's completely seamless. SmartDraw is, I would say, one of the easiest way how you can create a couple of flowcharts. Then we have couple of then options like not only flowcharts but flyers, forms, Gantt charts. Oh, in Gantt charts, I'm really curious about, and you already see a couple of pre-made it by SmartDraw, and that's basically about it. You can add, write it down a couple of options, and when you think you're done, you can easily share it by email address. And even when you create and send an email, you can protect it by a password. I would say there is tons of very nice options. Even with healthcare, this is the basically most complicated one from my point of view, because I don't really know which is which. This is just a big Lego to me. Anatomy worksheets, lymphatic systems. This is just great. There's this option. So infographic, landscape, lean, legal, maps and geography. All the hemispheres, countries, continents. It's really nice. So, as I said, if you are individual and you are okay with just this basic free option of SmartDraw, I really think that you can get advantage of it, even if you are like a student. There's a tons of pre-made it options for you to get advantage of, and all you have to do is try it now. Once you click there, you can toy around as much as you want, but obviously there are some downsides about how many actually accounts you can make and how many flowcharts, for example, you can create. So yeah, it's just like that. And I strongly recommend you at least trying it. In my opinion, there's nothing more also intuitive on the market right now. So yeah, even though if you decide to buy it, it's for individual $10. It's like 8 euros, something around. So yeah, if you have any types of questions about SmartDraw, how to get advantage of it and how to log in, just let me know underneath this video. If you have more questions, please let me know, and consider a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.